Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you Moral Science of Class UKG, and the topics are quotations, prayer and song. So today one by one I would like to teach you this all. So the first is quotation. A kindly, kindly, tongue, tongue, is is, the, lodestone, lodestone, of, the, hearts, hearts, of, men, men. A kindly tongue is the lodestone of the hearts of men. Now again I am going to repeat. A kindly tongue is the lodestone of the hearts of men. So according to this quotation, that we should speak in such a way which express kindness, caring and friendliness, so that everyone become our friends, not enemies. Words have really powers, especially when we are express. If we use words politely, it can heal a person in pain. But if we use them rudely, then it can give a lot of pain to anyone. So now I would like to teach you the next quotation. DESIRE, desire, NOT, not, FOR, ANYONE, anyone, OF, of, THE, the, THINGS, things, YOU, WOULD, would, NOT, not, DESIRE, desire, FOR, for, YOUR, SELVES, yourselves. Desire not for anyone of the things you would not desire for yourselves. Now, one more time I am going to repeat this quotation. Desire not for anyone of the things you would not desire for yourselves. Now, so according to this quotation, every day everyone wish that, oh God, please make my day wonderful. We never want that anything unpleasant happen to us. Then if we know that this is not good for us, so for us, then we should not wish those things for others. When we are angry, we usually curse others. But this is not good. We will never like if somebody curses us. So, we should never behave anyone badly. So, dear children, we should always do the good behavior with everyone. Now, the next is God, God, WILLING, willing, THOU, the, WILL, will, BEB, LOVING, loving, and, OBEDIENT, obedient, TO2, THY, thy, FATHER, father, and MOTHER, mother. God willing, thou will be loving and obedient to thy father and mother. One more time I am going to repeat this quotation. God willing, thou will be loving and obedient to thy father and mother. According to this quotation, God loves all of us. He can't be present everywhere. So, He created father and mother Our parents loves a lot and help us when we are in trouble. So we should respect our father and mother. We should obey them. God also tells us that to serve Him, we should serve our parents first. Now the next is BLESSED, blessed. IS is HE, he. WHO, who. PREFERRETS, prefer. HIS, his. BROTHER, brother. BEFORE, before. HIMSELF, himself. Blessed is he who preferred his brother before himself. One more time I am going to repeat this quotation. Blessed is he who preferred his brother before himself. Now, according to this quotation, those persons are blessed by God who sacrifice their need for others. The word sacrifice means giving up something that you want to keep especially, but give it to others to help them. We can say when our parents leave their important work because we need them. Hence, they sacrifice their important things for us. God always wants that we should not be selfish and always do things that help others. Now, the next is prayer. O Lord, Lord, I am a child, child, enable, enable, me, to, grow, grow, beneath, beneath, the, shadow, shadow, of, thy, loving, loving, kindness, kindness. O Lord, I am a child, enable me to grow beneath the shadow of thy loving kindness. Once again, I would like to repeat this prayer. O Lord, I am a child, enable me to grow beneath the shadow of thy loving kindness. Prayer is talking to God. According to this prayer, that to spread kindness in this world so that we all could grow beneath the shadow of kindness. We are asking God for kindness because it is the most important thing by which we can express positive thought in our everyday life. Now, the next is song. So, first of all, I would like to teach you the correct pronunciation of each and every word. After that, I will teach you in rhythm. So, LET apostrophe S, let's, TRY, try, TO2, BEB, LOVING, loving. Let's try to be loving. Now, CHEER, FUL, cheerful, and POLIT, polite, SWEET, sweet, and THOUGHT, FUL, thoughtful, BOYS, boys, and GIRLS, girls. Now, the next is ARER, AEVERY, ONE apostrophe S, are everyone's, DELIGST, delight. LET apostrophe S, let's, TRY, try, TO2, REMBR, remember, HOW, how, WE apostrophe RE, we are, SUPPO, SED, supposed, TOBEB, GOOD, good, MANNERS, manners, ARER, or WAY, way. OSO, OF of, SOWING, showing, LOVE, love, AND, and, COURTESY, curtsy. So, This song is let's try to be loving, cheerful and polite, sweet and thoughtful, boys and girls are everyone's delight. Let's try to remember how we are supposed to be. Good manners are a way of showing love and courtesy. So now I would like to sing this song in rhythm. Let's try to be loving, cheerful and polite, sweet and thoughtful. Boys and girls are everyone delight. Let's try to remember how we are supposed to be. Good manners are a way of showing love and courtesy. Again, I'm going to sing this song. Let's try to be loving, cheerful and polite, sweet and thoughtful. Boys and girls are everyone's delight. Let's try to remember how we are supposed to be. Good manners are a way of showing love and courtesy. So, according to this song, everyone to feel our heart with love and spread love in the world. We all should be cheerful but also be polite because being selfish will never make us happy. But being polite and making others happy will give us real happiness. Every child should be sweet and thoughtful so that we may always be delightful. We should always remember that good qualities are only the way of showing love and courtesy. So, dear children, like this, you will study at home all quotations, prayer, and song. Thank you.